Hi, my name is Sydney. I'm a content strategist here at Evenbound. And today I want to talk about a hot topic, answer engine optimization, or AEO, which is really an extension of traditional SEO, but this time we're optimizing content for AI tools. So I want to walk you through a real world example today of what this looks like to help you be able to achieve it. So we're going to walk through a hypothetical example here. I am just going to choose a keyword here that I might be searching for as maybe a prospective buyer. So I'm going to go with how to choose a garage door. This is an informational inquiry, which is good to target for AEO purposes. It has some search volume. So let's say I'm a company that maybe sells garage doors and I'm interested in writing a blog to help a buyer through this process. So, what I did first to kind of gain an understanding of the examples that are out there is I actually put this inquiry right into ChatGPT and I asked it how to choose a garage door. It gives me some really helpful tips here. And you can see that it is citing some specific websites that have blogs on this topic already. So, this top one here from Modernize, we're going to click into and kind of walk through and see which AEO principles it's using and why it's ranking so highly in this AI tool. So here is the example. Some things that immediately stick out to me is the title immediately uses our main kind of keyword. It's very short, to the point, clear. It has a really quick description here. It has very clear headings, and you notice that the copy is very concise and to the point. AEO and also users in general really like to be able to skim and get an answer very quickly. So this type of format works really well. It has some easy to digest bullets. It hits on some of the main questions related to this topic and gives a really concise answer in bold text, which is very easy for AI tools and users to skim and see. It's linking to some other resources, which also helps search engines. It has some subsections here that are broken up by the types of different garage doors. Again, some bold text to make it a bit easier to scan. Some images throughout, some CTAs. Tables are a huge deal with AEO, so incorporating this to give an easy pros and cons list. Framing some headers in question form is very effective for AEO. And then again, a bottom CTA here and some other related articles. So this is a really strong example and something that you could use as some inspiration for your blogs. And then a different example that is actually not ranking highly for this same query, I think this might be on page 7 or so of Google's results, and it's not cited in the AI, is this article here. So this is on the same topic, but this is much less strong from an AEO perspective. As you'll notice, there's just less broken out different subheadings. It's just kind of big blocks of text here. It's not really easy to skim and digest. You really kind of have to read and look for what you're looking for. And there's also just not a lot of headings that are framed as questions, not a lot of quick, concise answers. So this one does not rank as well. And also the keyword is kind of missing throughout a lot of this, which isn't helping either. So those are just some kind of quick tips for you to keep in mind as you're thinking about AEO, things that you can use to help optimize your blogs. If you need any help with any of this, of course, reach out to us here at Evenbound. We are happy to help.